Okay, so this is going to be the tutorial for how to make your website live. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Otherwise, I will set up appointments with you individually to make sure that your website is working. Okay, so right now you guys should have your Coding Club folder on your desktop. So with that being done, I want you guys to go over here in the right corner and click on this magnifying glass, this tiny little magnifying glass. And it should bring up something that looks like this. So go ahead and search for terminal, and you can just hit enter, and it should bring up something that looks like this. So now what I want you guys to type is cd space desktop, and capitalization is important here. And then hit enter. And now do cd and then type the name of your folder. In my case, I named it Coding Club. So I'm going to type in Coding Club. And if you hit tab, then it should automatically fill it out for you. And then just hit enter. So once you do that, I want you to go ahead and type git init. And then do git space add dot. A list of these commands, by the way, are going to be up on RomanNet. So if you want, you can probably just copy and paste them from there. But in this case, I'm just showing you how to do it. So once you do that, you hit enter. And then I want you to go ahead and go to your browser and go to github.com. And if you haven't done so already, once you're on GitHub, go ahead and log in. And once you're logged in, you should see something like this. So I want you to click on your picture in the right-hand corner, and it should bring up this menu. And hit your profile. And it'll take you to this page. So now go ahead and click repositories. And if you haven't done so already, we are going to make a new repository. So hit new. And then this is my username. In this case, you're going to use your username. You're going to type your username. So A.L. Castaneda .github.io is what you're going to name your repository. So it's going to be your username and then .github.io. And this is important, it has to match your username, capitalization and everything, and it has to end in .github.io for your website to work. So I already have something named this, so just to show you guys an example of how to do it, I'm just going to make a repository like this. And then you're going to scroll down and hit Create Repository. And then it should bring you up to a page like this. So go ahead and copy this link. And then go back to your terminal. And now I want you to type in git remote add origin and then paste that link in there and then hit enter. And then type in git commit -m and then just write add adding website. And then hit enter. And finally, do git push origin master. And in this step, it might ask you to log in. So what you're going to do is type in your GitHub username and then hit enter. And then it's going to ask you for your password. And it's important to remember that when it does ask you for your password, even though you're going to be typing, right now it shows what I'm typing, but when you're typing in your password, it's not going to show you what you're typing. Just know that you are typing your password. And then once you're done, hit enter, and it should bring something up like this. So it should say writing objects 100%. And once it finishes, then you should be able to go to GitHub and refresh that page. And now you see that you have your index.html and your index.css file right here in the project that we just made. And you know that your website is live on the web now if you can copy your project name. So in this case, I'm going to change it to alcastaneda.github.io. And go ahead and paste it in here. And you should be able to see your website. Again, if you have any questions, let me know, and either I or Bobby will help you. Yeah, good luck.